Good morning to the respected principal, Pravina ma'am, all my colleagues and all my dear friends. As we are celebrating the Constitution Week in our school, for that many of the teachers has expressed their views on different articles of the Constitution. So Article 356 is one of them. So Article 356, also called as the President's Rule, as one of the three types of emergencies provided by the Indian Constitution, remains a crucial tool in the hands of the central government. So can you tell me what are the three types of emergencies that has been provided by the Constitution of India? Anyone of you? So first one is the national emergency, that is Article 352. Second one is the state emergency, that is Article 356. And third one is the financial emergency, that is included in the Article 360. So what is the meaning of President's Rule? President's Rule, also known as the Governor's Rule, refers to a period when the constitutional machinery in a state has failed and the state government is unable to function in accordance with the provisions of the Constitution. It is a period when the autonomy of the state government is temporarily suspended and the central government assumes direct control over the state administration. The President's Rule, also known as the constitutional emergency or state emergency. So, Article 355 to Article 357 in Part 18 and Article 365 in Part 19 of the Indian Constitution are related to the President's Rule. So, as per the Article 355 of the Indian Constitution, imposes a duty on the center to protect every state against external aggregation and internal disturbance, and to ensure that the government of every state is carried in accordance with the provisions of the Constitution. As per the Article 356 of the Indian Constitution, the President can proclaim President's Rule in a state if he/she is satisfied that a situation has arisen in which the government of the state is not carried in accordance with the provisions of the Constitution. As per the Article 365 of the Indian Constitution, whenever a state fails to comply with or give to effect to any direction from the center, it will be lawful for the President to hold that situation has arisen in which the government of the state cannot be carried in according to the provisions of the Constitution. So, what are the duration of the President's Rule? If approved by both houses of Parliament, so which are the houses of the Parliament? Which are the two houses of the Parliament? And Rajya Sabha, yes. If approved by both the houses of Parliament, the President's Rule continues for the period of 6 months and it can be imposed for a maximum of 3 years with the approval of Parliament every 6 months. So what are the effects when the President's Rule is imposed on the state executive? When the President's Rule is imposed in the state, the President dismisses the State Council of Ministers headed by the Chief Minister. The state governors on behalf of the President carries on the state administration with the help of the Chief Secretary of the state or the advisors appointed by the President. Effects of President's Rules on the state judiciary. The constitutional position, status, powers and functions of the concerned state High Court remains the same during the President Rule. And last but not the least, for the President's Rule, the last line, Article 356 is to be as a measure of last resort when all available alternatives fail. So this is about the Article 356. Thank you.